Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for October 2019. This box is $15 a month. You get hair care, skincare, makeup, beauty sort of samples sent to you, value between I think $50 to $90. And new members always get a beauty bonus, so make sure if you're ever signing up you look for what you could be getting as a beauty bonus that month. After last month's box, I'm sort of a little apprehensive about this. I still think the eczema cream I got was a little bit strange. Although I was actually talking about it to a friend and they have eczema, so I might just give that thing to them. This box is normally full of like high-end luxury beauty samples, so it's always fun to get this. I normally enjoy it. Last month I'm hoping it was just a fluke. I hope that this month is a little better. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of the box. So I research full size versus sample size, do the math, and find out the real value of everything in here. So if you're interested in that, make sure you're always opening up that description box. I put all that down there. Okay, let's just go ahead and see what's in here. Okay, so when you open it up, it's going to have this little book right here. It's going to have the editors who chose the products, why they chose it, and then it'll also have the full-size values of everything. So let's see, the first thing I'm pulling out, something I've never heard of. This is the M61 Powerful Skincare Powerglow Peel. 1 minute, 1-step exfoliating facial peel. Never heard of this brand. And it does say no animal testing, so that's exciting. So after cleansing and drying skin, wipe pre-soaked towelette over face, neck, and décolleté. How do you say that? While avoiding eye area, do not rinse off. Follow with moisturizer. So yeah, interesting. I always think it's weird when it's like says it's a facial peel and you don't like peel it off. I know it's like peeling layers of skin or something, but I like to like peel things. So I'm assuming this is just one towelette in here. Oh, there's 3. Interesting. Okay. I might give this a try. So there's that. So for 10 of them is $30. So about $3 each. So that's like worth $9. So not too bad. Okay, another interesting thing. What is with this? Okay, this is from Bausch Lomb. Lumify. It's like eye drops for red eyes. I don't believe this brand would be cruelty-free. I wonder if they're like, people are like paying to put stuff in these boxes now. Like, this is weird. I mean, it's pretty decent size. I just don't get, I mean, I have red eyes. Sometimes I don't know. And it says sample. I don't know. It's weird. Let's see the full-size value of this. So this may be like the bonus product. So I'm not mad about that if that's the case. Because it's like the little ad here on the back. So interesting, I guess. I don't really have redness eye issues that often that I feel like I need that. So not good for me. Okay, let's see. The next thing I have is from Kneipp. I don't know how you say that. Kneipp. This is a bath salt, mineral bath salt. Dream Away Valerian and Hops. Made with essential oils. It's vegan. It does not say if it's cruelty-free on the back. Oh, sorry. No animal testing, so it does say that. I do enjoy like taking baths. I'm like a big bath person. I normally like bubble baths, but I would be interested in giving these a try. I guess we can open it up and see what they smell like. See what a valerian hop smells like. Ooh, whew, strong. Very strong. And it's like blue. Can you see that in there? They're blue. Looks like pop rocks. Okay, so I guess it's supposed to help you sleep, so I definitely will give this a try. Very nice. Again, a weird thing to get in here. Not weird, it just seems drugstore. I guess it's not drugstore, it's $20. So yeah. Okay, got that. Okay, the next thing I have is from Modelco, which is cruelty-free. This is the Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. I have tried one of their eyeshadows, and I'm pretty sure I got it in an Allure box. I wonder if it's the same one. Okay, so it's different. So there's the 3 colors. They are all shimmer, so I'm probably not going to use this. It's just, I just don't like it when everything's shimmer. The theme of this is Saint Tropez. I'll probably just throw this into a giveaway or give it to a friend. I'm not mad that I got it. I just don't think I can do an eye look with that. Maybe it would be good for traveling, so maybe I'll think about it. I do like their shadows. They're okay. They're not my favorite. They're not the worst. They're just middle of the road for me. The full size is $13, and I feel like that might be full size. I can't remember how small they are. Okay, the next thing I have is from Sunday Riley. Yay! So this is the Ice. What is this called? It's in a different language. Oh, here's the English. Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. It's real tiny. I do enjoy Sunday Riley products. It doesn't really smell like anything, so there is. You get a decent amount in there. Stuff's like probably super expensive, but it feels just like a nice moisturizer. Let's go ahead and get a value on the full size of that. The full size is $65, so I definitely, oh, maybe it does have a little bit of a scent. Like a minor scent, like not overpowering though, so Sunday Riley is cruelty free. I do enjoy their products, so I'm definitely excited to give that a try. That is not one I've tried. Oh, so we have another thing from Modelco. This is the Eyelites, which I have tried one of these as well. I can't remember where I got it from. Let's see if this one's different than the one I have. Oh yes, this is way different. So these are like the liquid eyeshadows. I don't normally like them just because I have hooded eyelids and it's just not the best thing for me, but I guess I'm gonna have whatever's on my lid on my eyelid anyway, so I might as well just live my life and wear what I want to wear. They seem fairly pigmented, so this is actually nice. It's like a black color, very, very pigmented. It has a little bit of shine to it. The shade is Granite, so yeah, I'm definitely excited to give that a try. I think it's the perfect time of year to wear like dark, fun colors like this, so yeah, definitely excited for that one. And the full size of that is $9, so not really bad at all. Like, this pretty decent price. Okay, the last thing I have is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It's like the tiny little one. I love these little baby ones. Let me get the big one so you can see. So like, here's a little baby. Here's Big Mama. This is $45, but I'm telling you, it's so worth it. It's like my favorite body cream ever. I also have like, if you want to see like a whole family, like this is the coconut one, but like there's a little trio, all 3. Here they all are. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to get this. I've been like rationing this one. Like I'm almost out. It's pretty low. It just smells like a tropical vacation. And it has like a little bit of like glitter, not glitter, but like it is sort of glittery. Like you feel a little shiny, but it's not like obnoxious like craft glitter. It's very, very nice. Like, gives your skin like a little sheen to it. So I really, really love this stuff. It is expensive, but it is my favorite body cream to date. I love like taking a bath and then just putting this on. I just smell so good. Really, really good. So yeah, I'm excited that I got a little sample of it. Okay, so that's all I got in my Allure beauty box. I definitely think this box was much better than last month. I got, you know, 2 makeup products. I got the Sunday Riley thing. I got the Bum Bum Cream. The eye drops were a little bit strange, but I'm sure I can find somebody who would use those. It's just not me. And then the little face thing. So overall, I thought it was a much better box. I thought the products made much more sense, and I am not mad at Allure anymore. I would love to know what you guys thought of this box. Let me know your opinions right down there. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.